Woo! That's a good one, Elias. Pull him up. Walk over there and pull him up. Walk over there and pull him up. Get him. Pull him up. Yeah! Got him.
I haven't really caught anything yet other than the stuff that you're helping me with.
What do you mean? You just reeled him in.
Yeah, but I haven't caught any real things like me. Don't you? Amy's trying to help me.
You want to try to hold him?
No.
Yeah, hold him. Just like that.
No.
Oh, he's got a broken jaw. Here, hold him just like that, Elias. It's fine. You got little tiny serrated things. It feels like sandpaper, that's all. It's a little slimy, that's all. Here, I want you to hold him for a picture. Yes. You can do it. And he might flip around a little bit, but don't drop him. Come on, Elias. You can do it.
I can't not.
Yes. Hey, you reeled him in. You gotta touch him.
Fine. Only for the.
You can get it. You can get him.
I'm too scared.
Elias, he's gonna die. Come on. Hold it.
Oh.
That's a good 12 inches.
Just take
Now
it,
put
just
him in. Come on. Don't drop him in there. Just get on your knee. There you go.
There you go, buddy.
Here we go with Quentin. Let's see if we can get another one. Get it down there. Push the button. There you go. Reel. Not pull. Quentin, oh man, you got a big one. Holy cow, that's the biggest so far. Bring it over here, Quentin. Come on.
Aiden, look how
Good
big
job.
mine is. Aiden, look how big mine is.
Good job.
This Friday night.
That's a good one, Quentin. He pulled, didn't he?
Okay, I'm gonna keep going.
These words are getting in the way. I know I see it every day, and I don't wanna break. No, I don't wanna break on. My memory always served me well. Keep me there in all of my health, and I don't wanna break. No, I don't wanna break on. It's boring in the chorus, and not ceding on my time. But I got to work it out some. Sometimes I don't even know why. If I could catch a break, maybe this'll be one. Getting in the way. I know I see him every day, but I don't wanna break. No, I don't wanna break on. My memory always served me well. Keep me there in all of my health, but I don't wanna break. No, I don't wanna break. They flourish in the chorus, and not ceding on my time. So I got to work it out some. Sometimes I don't even know why. If I could catch a break, maybe this'll be.
You might gotta finish.
It's number one. well. Simpatico makes me
Then we were fighting over it.
it memory. It served me
Then
well.
we were fighting.
Simpatico makes me
It
number
was right there when it came right there, and then it was right there. I almost got it. It was right there.
memory.
Catch it again. Now tell me what it is. My mom
Serve me well.
might be right there, and you might
Number one.
really like that. What is that?
It's the chorus in the chorus, and not seating on my tongue. But I got to work it out song. Sometimes I don't even know why. If I could catch a break, maybe this'll be one. It's number one.
Heck yeah!
Did she get a bass?
Yeah! That is awesome, Taylor. Get over there. Come
My
on.
turn now. My thing's stuck on the board over there.
And you got it with the little dive demon. Yes!
It's too close.
And in the sun right here. I'm not going to touch it. In the sun right here.
How's a little bird get on my window sill?
I'm filming.
Tell me that there's more to life than swallowing up these pills. And how's a little bird get on my window sill? I don't know half the things, and I don't think I ever will. 36 years gone, halfway home, and I know we're wrong, but I'll keep carrying on.
Oh, come on. She really ain't Amy's doing.
Wait, does she got teeth?
Yeah, get going here. It's been out of the water for a while.
I'm not touching it.
Alright, let me take a picture of the teeth. Pretend like you're Nice catch.
How's it gonna be when all the seasons change? All the leaves are turning colors, all but my favorite blue and gray. How's it gonna be when all the seasons change? I can picture all that dressed in white. Oh, 'cause winter's on its way. 36 years gone, halfway home, and I know we're wrong. 36 years gone. Take my hand, we cannot be wrong, and we'll keep going on,
Better skip back, though.
and we'll keep staying strong. You got to know that love will bind us. Love will bind us on. So carry on.
Alright. Hold on here.
Carry on, my love. So carry on. So carry on, my love. Carry on. Carry on. Carry on. dream. They truly want to be a star. They picked one day and there they are. And oh, oh, they had such beauty. Oh, oh, and nothing to hide. Oh, oh, give us a break on who we are, who we are. Someone said to find a place below the look of human race. Tomorrow we will be a star. The sun comes up and there we are. And oh, oh, they had such beauty. Oh, oh, and nothing to hide. Oh, oh, give us a break on who we are. And say that we'll live in this moment.
Oh my God.
I want someone to comfort you. And say that we'll live in this moment. I want someone to hold on to. And say that we'll live in this moment. I want someone to want you to.
Oh, man.
Oh, they had such beauty. Oh, and nothing to hide. Oh, give them a break on
Thought it was a
who they are, who they are.
Esco. Me.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Wouldn't even let the kids try.
Wanna touch him?
Yeah.
Ain't that cool?
I want to touch him. Hi, fishy. Whoa.
I know, I always did.
Shutterstock Music.
I'm gonna take pictures, but I wanna weigh him first.
Whoa, that was a big thing.
That's a big fish, isn't it?
Shutterstock Music.
Another 3-pounder. How long is he? At 18.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock